and it's gotten warm enough for the river to finally stop freezing and flow. That's pretty cool. It's like 40 degrees. Big Sky, Montana. Elevation's approximately like 8,000 feet here. This is just a little trail right by where I live. I love seeing stuff like this. Like all the wood that's been knocked down, cleared or whatever. That's pretty cool. There's another river. What's this? Oh dear. Snow's really deep. Huh. Okay. It's like they built something here. That's pretty cool. Neat. Let's go back this way. Yeah, this is a bike trail in the summer. I don't know if anybody like skis on it or not. It's kind of not powdery right now, I guess. We got a little bridge here. Some really cool. I like these little rivers. I like looking at all like the little rocks and stuff in there. That's pretty neat. I like that. guys can see it, there's a little like ground squirrel there. That's pretty cool. I think this is a ski and snowboarding trail. We'll walk on it for a while, and maybe there'll be a lift. You guys can see some of the condos here. Pretty neat. Somebody way out there. Oh, with a dog. Cool. Well, we'll leave them alone. We'll give them their space. That's the nice thing about being out here. There's so much wide open space and paths and trails to walk that if you don't want to be around people, you don't have to. That's why I come out here. It's nice, peaceful, quiet. Good to reconnect with nature. Keeps you even. Let's see. We came from that way, and let's go this way. Yeah, this is just like very close to where I am staying. I'm an employee up here, so we have like dormitory housing. And so this is like maybe a 5-minute walk from where I'm at. I came here once before without the GoPro. Sorry, I'm sinking into the ground. I came here once without the GoPro, but I wanted to come back and show you guys. So that's private property, so I don't want to go up there. Oh, there's a snowplow coming. Probably should get out of the way. Maybe if we go over here. I don't think you guys saw it. It was between the trees. I don't know if it's coming our way, but definitely don't want to get on the business end of that thing. Yeah, this is like kind of packed down. Yeah, so we'll just walk along here for a while. Yeah, it's not too bad. Cool. A little bit off the path. This is a lot different than where I'm from in Florida. We don't have any of this devil's dandruff, as we call it. But it's nice. It's a nice change of scenery. I love going to new places, exploring. We fell into a pocket of snow. Yeah, we were just over there. But we'll see what's cool over here. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a pile of lumber right through that tree line. Kind of hard to see. That's cool. I don't know, I find a lot of really boring stuff cool. you guys can see it in the GoPro. I'll get you another shot here in a second, but there's the top of the mountain. Surrounding mountains. I don't know if he's coming my way. But you can see him plowing up there. He might just be plowing that road. I don't know. I don't know a whole lot about snow plows, where they can and can't go, so beats me. Back to the river. Stream, creek, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, pretty cool. Wait. Let's walk up here. We haven't gone up here yet. Oh boy. Okay, I think this just leads up to the road. Yeah. Definitely leads up to the road. Alrighty. I guess that's all that area explored. Take it easy, everybody. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.